Greetings. This is a short introduction to Sparta, which is a network infrastructure penetration testing tool utilized for information gathering. It's a pretty cool application. Utilizes other functions to make this application work, particularly Nmap, Hydra, and QtCat. The source for this application is sparta.secforce.com. This is a pretty short page, but it's not that complicated of an application. And to install it, you can come to this page. It'll show you how to install it. You do need Python installed and Nmap. If you have Kali already loaded, this should be on Kali. I'm running Kali and I didn't have to download anything extra for it to function properly. So we'll get started here. So it is a cool feature. To start it up, once it's loaded to your computer, you just Sparta, and a GUI should pop up. There we go. And it's not too difficult. I have OWASP BPA on here, so 192.168.50.133 is the IP address of interest. I'm going to add that to my scope, and as you'll see, it's already running down here. So this does take a couple minutes. Take a break. We'll come back when it's ready. Alright, so the scan is completed running. You can see right here, host 192.168.50.133. You can see which ports identified, port 22, 80, 137, 139, 143, and so on. The information section is good. It tells you how many ports were open and how many ports were closed, and the operating system that it is running. So from here you can also see what version of the application is running on those ports, what it is running on those ports as well. So I just want to do a quick overview of the services. I think this is kind of helpful. You get to see what HTTP, what ports it's running on, again what version it's running, IMAP, Java, just tons of good information. Back to host. And then you can go specific information regarding the ports that were identified. So how is this useful? You can see example server Apache 2.2.14, and let's go to just this is cvedetails.com, and let's look up that Apache version. So Apache 2.2.14. All right. Overflow. That's 7.5. This is on a 10-point scale. So let's just open this up and see what one vulnerability it has. It looks pretty good. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability are impacted. Low complexity, and you can see right here can read 1 byte past the end of the buffer when sending malicious content. Response header, so just buffer overflow. And you can use this information in these tabs. I mean, there's quite a lot of bit of vulnerabilities listed in here, and you can just go through each one and figure out what you can do with that. So port 80, port 443, not much different. Screenshot. Let's go to 880, 8080. That's a screenshot. Alright, just lots of stuff in here. Again, not a very complicated application, but tons of good information that can be utilized against that target. And that's about it. One thing you can do, you can save the data you've collected. And save it wherever you want. And to close it out, just exit and you're done.